Welcome to TWINMOTION course, the fastest and easiest way to create 3D architectural visualization and virtual reality. Built by the famous game engine Unreal Engine, TWINMOTION has made it to combine the ease of use, speed, and quality for architectural visualization. You will be amazed of how easy it is to create your architectural visualization in no time compared to other 3D software. In addition to that, TWINMOTION is the most user-friendly with a simple and easy interface and navigation presets as your 3D software you are used to. On top of that, TWINMOTION now supports files from all BIM software and 3D modeling programs. In addition to that, TWINMOTION comes with a huge library that includes materials, vegetation, furniture, lights, characters, vehicles, and more. It also has very powerful tools for landscape that makes visualization of your projects real fun. Going from day to night mood has never been easier with a very easy adjustment of daytime and skies. Even changing season from summer to spring to rainy to snowy, winter with a simple slider is something really extraordinary. And the most powerful thing TWINMOTION will offer is the speed of rendering. Images, videos, virtual reality game-like files can be exported in a matter of minutes on one single computer. So get ready to be amazed of the amount of stuff you can produce with TWINMOTION for your architectural designs, visualization, and presentations.